Hey guys, this is Adam with the vetting process. Short video here. I am finally installing LED taillights on my C6 here, and I've already got two sat in there on the driver's side, the LED lights, the new ones. I'm putting the third one in right here, and then that's an old one right there I'm about to pull out. But real quick, I just wanted to show you the ones you get may be a little different, but mine are the kind where you pull the old one out. There's a little screw right here, T15, one screw. Be careful not to lose the bracket when you pull the tail light out. Pull that screw out and pull the tail light out. The tail light comes out, and then you twist the bulb counterclockwise, pull it out, and then the connection, and then you pull the bulb out. And the kind that I got actually plugs in right where the bulb used to go itself, and then it has this little resistor here that has a sticky side to it. You peel it and it's got like a 3M sticky side to it. And what I did was I took some rubbing alcohol and I cleaned the inside of the surface in there, and then you take this sticky side and you stick it in there and you stick it up against the rear bumper so that your resistor sits in there, and then you just stick the new bulb in there and do your one screw and you are all set. So let's see how they look when I'm all done. Okay guys, a couple things I want to remind you when you're putting these in. When you are dealing with LEDs, remember, if you plug it in and the first time it's not working like you want it to, it's either blinking too fast or the brake light part isn't working or something like that, it's on the fritz of some sort, then all you have to do is switch the plug around 180. LEDs are very picky about being plugged in a certain direction. So anyway, I got these installed, all done. I couldn't be happier with them. It's a little hard to see at night with the video, so I'll take a good still shot for you, but I am going to get in real quick and do the brake lights for you and the blinkers for you. But the last thing I want to say is don't be afraid to use some electrical tape to really clean up your wiring inside and make sure that all your connections are nice and solid and tight. And if you don't feel like, maybe your LED lights don't seal as well as your old ones and you're worried about moisture, I wasn't too worried about it. I think mine fit in there really well, but if you're worried about moisture, then definitely don't be afraid to use some electrical tape and clean up, really tighten up your connections and try to make them seal really nice. But I'm really happy with these. Like I said, I'm going to do the brake lights and the blinkers really quick, and then I will take a good still shot so you can see a better quality image for at night. But thank you so much for watching the vetting process. I really appreciate it, and I've got LEDs all the way around on this thing now, and I couldn't be happy.